Hello viewers, today we are going to see about displacement in simple harmonic motion. The distance traveled by the vibrating particle at any instant of time t from its mean position is known as displacement. When the particle is at p, the displacement of the particle along y-axis is y. Now this is the displacement from O to N along y dash, this line. So a particle, so this distance ON is the displacement. The particle initially was at x, this position angle is 0, and slowly it moves with a constant velocity, and at a particular point it makes an angle theta with the horizontal. So this is the current particle position. Now you drop a perpendicular towards the y dash vertical diameter line. Now this is the displacement, this ON is the displacement. But if you consider the point P to be at the x, there is no displacement because it is 0. Okay. But when it is here, there is a slight displacement. When the point moves to y, it has a maximum displacement, and the maximum displacement is equal to the radius of the circle, which is A. So now what we do is we consider a particular point. This particle is moving with a constant velocity and makes an angle theta. So these two are parallel lines. Since this is theta, this is also theta. This is also theta. Now consider this right angle triangle. So consider the triangle ONP. Now you consider the triangle ONP. So ONP. Now this is theta, this is opposite side, and this is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is nothing but the radius of the circle. Here the radius is A. So for sine theta opposite side is y, and the hypotenuse is OP, which is nothing but A. Now, so what is the displacement? So we just now we told the displacement along y-axis, that is OY. The displacement is ON, which is y. So y is equal to A sine theta. And also we have a relation between theta and omega t, angular velocity multiplied by time. So theta is equal to omega t. Now if you carefully visualize, when theta is 0, so theta 0 means it is along the x-axis. So the angle is 0. You all know that sine 0 is 0. Therefore, since this value is 0, y equal to 0. That means no displacement. So when you will get maximum displacement, theta, okay, some angle, then when it reaches 90 degree, sine 90 is 1. So when theta equal to 0 degree, the displacement y equal to 0 because sine 0 is 0. When theta is equal to 90, sine 90 is 1, the displacement is maximum, which is equal to the radius of the circle, y equal to A. Similarly, when it moves and comes here, once again the displacement is 0 degree. Then 270 it is maximum, but in the negative direction, and it completes one complete revolution when reaching x. So what we try to say is, the amplitude of the vibrating particle is defined as its maximum displacement from the mean position. So in this case, we have considered a particle at random point, the displacement is y, and we have framed the equation, which is y is equal to A sine theta. And we have analyzed two different points, one at 0 degree and the another one at 90 degree. So this is the basic idea of how the displacement will be in a simple harmonic motion. Hope you have understood this topic. Thanks for watching. Nandri.